So today we are going to discuss about how to create a field in Salesforce for a particular object. So for creating fields, what is a field? Field represents a column inside the object, which is used to store the business specific data. Salesforce provides two types of fields: standard fields and custom fields. So these are coming to standard fields. These are the ready-made fields provided by Salesforce by default. Like so let's go to an app sales. So we have created an object called book. In that we have a record called Salesforce. So here we have only four uh, fields: book name, owner, last month, and created. These are the standard fields that are created by Salesforce. So there is no custom fields in this object. So today we are going to create a custom field. So custom fields is like suppose a Salesforce developer or admin can create a custom field as an object to store the business specific data. So what I feel, these four fields are uh, 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 not suggestible or not. It's not entirely taking the data of my records. I have to create a more fields. Then we can create more fields in this object. So click on edit object to create the field. So there is another navigation. You can simply go in the navigation bar. You can select the object and click on edit object. So you can go to this page where you can go to the fields and relationship sections to create a fields, or else you can click on setup and it will direct to home and object manager. Go to the object manager and search for the object you want to create a custom field. So go to the click on that object name, then it will show you the fields and relationships, and in the both navigation way you can go to the navigation page where you can create a custom field. So there are some governor limits also, but currently we are using our developer accounts. We have can create 500 custom fields for an object. Okay, we can view fields in an object in three ways. One is object manager here, and we can use a schema builder also. You can use developer console also to view the fields. After creating these fields, we'll go to that part. I'll show you how we can view all the fields in an object. So first go to the fields. So before fields, we'll note the data types. There are several data types in Salesforce. While creating a field in an object, we have to select an associated data type. Data types describes what type of data the field can hold inside. Suppose it's storing a text value, it's storing a date value or time value or email or phone number or any URL or any number or any percentage or any pick list values. Like we have three options to select, and we have to select only one in that option. In that way, our pick list multi-select data types where have we can select two three data types in that. So we'll go to them. Then uh, here in the fields and relationships, click on new. So here you can see all the data types that Salesforce provided us. So let's go to the each one. This one is not non-selected. Auto number is a data type where in the object creation time I'll told you there is a two data types where you can select text and auto number. Auto type means a system generated sequence numbers that it displays a format you define a number automatically increment by each means suppose here this for example I give an auto number stating starting value as 1, then the record book name will be salesforce doc dash one. After creating another record, you don't have to give any value in this particular. It will automatically taken care by the salesforce by default. Let's create an auto number field here. Click on next. So enter one value. Let's say serial number, because books will have serial numbers. Display the format, and we have to tell them what in what format they want to. So I am choosing this format SR001. Starting number will be 1. This is the field API name. You can do description or help test, and there is a two checkboxes. Is there external ID? So this you can, for now you don't have to uncheck this one, or add to custom report types means when we are creating reports, so there will be a skeleton for a report, like there will be a specific uh, this report will consist these objects, those kind of skeleton will be there. So that skill that field will be added to that particular report automatically if you click on this box. So let's keep it like that, and next. Click on next. Next, keep it visible for all the users. Click on next. So save. So this auto number field serial number is created. Let's go to this book. Refresh it again. See here they will have a field in serial number before it is not available here, because it's already previously created a record. That's why it isn't showing any value. Let's create a new record here. So click on new. Let's create text book 1, and here we have a serial number field, but it doesn't show any inbox here to enter a value, because it will automatically created by the salesforce itself. So this is the book 1 I created, and the serial number is the SR01, because we given the starting number as 1, so it will increment the. Let's create another record book 2. Click on save. So see, the serial number will be automatically incremented because the previous one has 1. Now if you created another record, we will consider as 3. If you created another record, then 4, 5, 6, 7. In this way it will create the records continuously. So this one we can use this auto number data type. So let's go to another one. Then there is a formula. This formula we'll discuss in later sessions. This lookups and master relationships and account call. Just coming to this checkbox. Checkbox field you already know is just a true or false value. So I'm not creating this field. So currency field value. Currency field also is the data type where it will store the money value of that particular currency you are entering, and date and time, because these are all non like self-explanatory. So I'm not explaining all these things. So because date, it will store the date value, date and time. It will store both date and email it will store. So you can read out these things. Allow users to enter email address. Okay, it will be in a proper format, because emails will have at the rate of gmail.com, at the rate of hotmail.in, uh, some like that. So you have those formats will be considered in this email. So and then geolocation, it will give the latitude and longitudes. So we'll discuss this in the later. then number, percentage, and phone number, pick list value. So we can create a pick list field in the next session. So for pick list values, we'll discuss this in the next session from pick list values. Okay.